So if you have a Galaxy phone or Galaxy Tab and you put the SIM card, you will notice that sometimes the phone number is unknown. So in this video, I will show you how to display the phone number. So to do that, we're gonna open the SIM card and put it to an iPhone. So let's get the SIM card first. Okay, once we get it, we pop out the SIM card here, and then we put it on an iPhone. So you can borrow or buy an iPhone to get the phone number and set it to the SIM card. Okay, so let's put the SIM card here. Okay, once you put the SIM card, you open the iPhone and wait until we get the service or the iMessage. Okay, now just wait. It's still showing no service. So my number is still empty, so let's wait until we get a service here. Okay, now that we connected to service, we can now check if it's connected to iMessage. So just wait until showing FaceTime and iMessage here. So it's showing FaceTime and iMessage. You can click OK. Once you click OK, you can check the phone. The number already show up. You can go back and eject the SIM card again. Okay, let's put it back. And let's put it inside again. Okay, now that we already put it inside, let's see. Let's go to settings and go to this. The phone number is showing up here. And okay, I think that's it from me. Thank you for watching and see you around.